Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we're going to talk about real estate investment trusts, commonly known as REIT. Now, REIT are property shares that enable investors to buy into property market without having the multi-million dollar price tags. REITs are quite similar to mutual funds in that they raise money from many investors and then use this capital to make investments. However, rather than investing in shares or bonds or other financial assets, REITs typically invest in properties such as hotels, commercial or industrial centers, could be shopping malls as well. So, what are the benefits or pros of investing in REITs? Number one is the low price volatility. Well, real estate is typically regarded as a low risk investment than shares and most other financial assets, which means that the property prices are usually less volatile than share prices. And given real estate's inherent scarcity, it also tends to appreciate in value over time. Number two is a regular income stream. Now, REITs offer many of the same benefits as an investment property. Their prices tend to remain relatively stable and appreciate over time. And hence, they generate regular rental income, which is paid to investors in the form of distributions and dividends. And number three is low cost diversification. Investing in property companies is a great way to gain exposure to the property market without having to pay the high cost of ownership yourself. So that's the great thing about the REITs. But what are the disadvantages? What are the biggest con? So I think the biggest con at the moment is the rising interest rate. Rising interest rate can negatively impact the property shares. This is because many REITs and other property companies are highly leveraged. So rising interest rate typically increase the interest which these REITs have to pay on their debt, which may squeeze in the profit margins that they can offer to the investors. However, I feel that as interest rates will peak and then will start to decline, a broad market recovery may be on the cards over the long term. So, what are the final verdict? I feel that if anyone wants to deep dive into the property market without having to invest enough capital, and if you are a passive income seeking investor, then REITs can be a very practical choice, especially for the long term. They often pay generous dividends, and their share prices tend to remain stable over time, at least when compared to the rest of the stock market. So, those are my 2 cents about REITs, the pros and cons, and the final verdict. I hope you found this video useful, and if so, then please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.